Ever wonder why your stomach growls when you're hungry? It's not just a quirky sound, it's your body's way of communicating. When your stomach is empty, it triggers a reflex called borborygmi. This is your digestive system gearing up for food, even if there's nothing in there. As your stomach contracts, it creates those rumbling sounds. It's like your body is saying, "Feed me." Plus, when you smell something delicious, your brain releases hormones that stimulate those growls even more. So, next time your stomach starts talking, remember, it's not just noise, it's a symphony of hunger. Follow for more such videos and check out the channel.